Hi guys, welcome. Today I want to walk you through how to create Google Forms. Alright, a number of persons have asked me how to create a form, and I promise to make this tutorial. So first off, for you to create a Google form, you have to have a Google account. That is your Gmail account, which I assume you already have. Then the next thing, you go to Google and type there Google form, okay? You type it and enter. The first result here, you click on it. Alright, so you click on that form. Then the next thing you do is go to Google Form. Alright, we are right on the Google Form interface. Alright, so you have multiple options here. You can either create a blank form from the scratch, or you can use a ready-made templates. Alright, Google has a lot of templates here. You can use these templates to create your own. You can just customize this detail. You can just change everything. It's just drag and drop. It's very simple. You can just click here, change it to whatever you want. Registration form, anything you want, you can change it. You can change the question forms. You can change name, you can change whatever you want, and yes, you can just change it, everything here. So but for the purpose of this training, I want to show us how you can create this form on your own from the scratch. So let's get into the video and look at it. Okay, so we go back to where, all right, so right here you click on this plus sign, start a new form. Okay, give your form a name. What do you want to call this form now? Sorry, got it, just click that one out. What do you want to call this? Registration form. Okay, all right, so you come to your question now. You want to add question 1, come here and click add your question name. Right, you have to look at it, click here and say short answer. All right, okay, you have to make it, okay, let's say you say full name or first name, however you like it, you can make it that way. All right, so you have added that. If you want to make the name compulsory, in other words, if somebody does not fill the name space, he cannot submit the form. You can now toggle this on required. All right, but I don't want to do that. Then the next question you need to ask here, maybe you want email, right? Short answer, you can now toggle this. For me, I like to make the email compulsory. The person has to fill that unless, all right, so the next one is what do you want again? What other information do you want to take from this person? Phone number. It depends on you. You can make it required or whatever. Okay, I make that required too. So after name, email, phone number, maybe the next thing you want, if you want home address, you can write it here, home address. That is if that is necessary. Okay, all right, then the next information, it depends on how many information how much information you want to get from your prospect, from those you want them to fill this form. Right, home address. You can also ask question, how old are you? Okay, you can now use this option, how old are you? or you can say, are you 18? Are you 18 years? Are you up to, sorry, are you up to 18 years? Okay. So the question should be yes or no. So in this case, when you come here, you have to go for multiple options, multiple choice. So you can answer option 1. You can answer yes. Right? Okay. Option 2. You can answer option 2. So in other words, you're expecting this person to take that one out? No. All right? So you have a yes and no answer there. Okay? So that is that about the question. Then maybe the next thing you want to get is message or comments. Message. Okay? That one you can use paragraph. Okay? So your form is ready. As a matter of fact, your form is ready. So you can now do this. Sorry. You can preview your form. Have you seen your form here? You can preview your form. This is the preview of the form we just created. You have your full name. You have the email is required. You see the star sign here indicating that it is required. You have your phone number. You have a home address. You have your multiple questions. Are you up to 18 years? Yes or no. And you also have your message. You have your okay, this we didn't take this out. This is a mistake. I left it there. So the person will fill this form and then click on submit. The form is ready. Your form is what? Ready. So at this point, you have your form ready. So there's something more you can do to this form. You can customize the form. You can choose an image. You can choose an image. Maybe you want an image over at the top of your form. You can put it anything here. You can pick an image here and put there. Insert this image. Click on it and insert. And then you can do something else. It depends on the image. You can use image that is in line with your brand. Okay, you can use that. You can do so many things. So when you're doing this on your own, I advise that you should try a lot of these options here. So let's take a look at our form now. You see the form has changed. All right, this is lovely. It's beautiful. So your form is ready, as a matter of fact. So you can make a copy of the form, print the form, whatever it is you want to do with your form. All right, guys, this form is ready. You can save your form. You can now send it. It says send the forms. You can pick the link of this form. This is the link. This is the link to your form. Anywhere you drop this link, somebody can fill this form. But I like to shorten it. If you want to shorten the form, click on here to shorten the form. So this is the form now. This is a shortened version of your form link. So the next thing is, how do you see the information of people that fill your form? So to do that, you come to the form page here and then click on responses. So if anybody has submitted information, let's get there. Let's practicalize this. All right, so this is a form. I'm going to fill my name here, David. I'm going to fill my name here, David. Right? My email at gmail.com. Okay? gmail.com is just some random thing I'm doing here. All right? So the next thing, you come phone number. Since it's required, you put my phone number there. You put it your address and then check yes, I'm up to 18. All right? Drop your message. I love to hear from you, right? It's just a kind of random thing we're doing there. All right, you submit the form. It said your response has been recorded. All right, so you come to your own interface and check. Voila, the one response. So you see, so you can share this form on WhatsApp or anywhere, and when people fill the form, you come here and capture their details. You see, everything we fill there are already here for you. So that's it, guys. Go ahead, use this form, create your forms, multiple subjects, multiple needs, and then capture data of your prospects and go ahead and do your business. Guys, if you have learned something so far, I want to beg you to subscribe. If this is your first time on my channel, just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get this valuable content. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first to get it. Google is going to notify you and all of that. Please leave me a like and also drop a comment. Could be thank you, it could be anything, it could be a question or contribution. So guys, that is it. So you copy your link here, you can drop this link anywhere and somebody can use this link to fill this form. Yeah, somebody can use this link to fill the form and then you capture their information. How nice does that sound? Okay, that is really okay, awesome. All right, so that you can send this to people's email. You can click there and send it via email. You can copy the link. You know, if you need the code to embed on your website, you just copy this HTML code and put that code on your website and the form will appear on your website. Right, if you need me to do a special tutorial on how to embed this form on your website, drop a comment on the website, drop a comment below and say teach us or teach me how to embed this code on my website. Okay, and I'll do a video on that. All right, so guys, that's it for us for today. Go ahead, create your form. If you have any question, drop me a question in the comment section and I'll be delighted to get back to you. Thank you very much once again. Subscribe, drop a like, comment, share this video. Thank you so much. Bye.